This English weather is so cold. Can't even like feel my lips, I'm struggling to talk. A little dead cat that I've put on my microphone, so hopefully there's not too much wind noise. It looks like I've got a wig on my microphone, but hopefully it sounds much better when I'm outside now, not all there. Workout finished. If you want to follow along to the pool workout that I just did, then I'll put it on the screen. Squeaky door. Then I'll put it on the screen now for you to follow along. No excuses. It's here, it's here, it's here. Here it's here. A journal. Now I know it may have seemed like an anticlimax, but don't click off the video. Honestly, this is the best thing ever. Now, I was never into journaling at all. In fact, journaling just sort of happened. So for work, I was writing everything down, as most people do. I had a notepad and I just wrote everything down. And that then slowly morphed into writing ideas down and writing experiences down. And then before I know it, a collection of notepads that I have got ideas in, that I've got work that I've done in, I've got important dates in, I've got books that I've read in, and they're all unbelievably useful. I mean, I've got stuff in some of these journals where, in fact, this red one here, I did a nutrition course, and everything that I did in that nutrition course is in this journal. So I know that I can refer back to it if ever I'm unsure or I need to refresh my memory. It's all in there. Knowledge that I've obtained that maybe I've forgotten is here written down. So what is so good about this brand new one? Well, I want to start journaling for more than just ideas and the work that I do and things that I've learned. I've been told and I've seen that all the best minds in the world have all journaled at some point. So let me just take last year's journal to show you some of the problems that I've had, which is why this new one is going to be so good for me. So I have organised this into sections. So I've got book notes where I put my book notes in there. Ideas sections. This is where I will write down some ideas. There's an example. I think I've even stuck some stuff in here before. So the problem is that I've had to organise it myself and I'm missing out on so much on what a journal can do for you. And that's where this new one comes in. Now I should actually say at this point that this is not a paid ad. Amber found this notepad on Amazon. It was £20 and I mean I haven't used it yet, so I could be talking about this and thinking that it's amazing, and it's not going to be amazing, but it looks like it's going to be good. Oh, let's open it. Oh, smell of a new book smells amazing. What's this card here? Self-discovery and... 1 year goals, 3 month goals, monthly agenda, monthly review, weekly agenda, self-discovery and vision, dreams and life. Okay, let's have a look. A space for 50 dreams. Now, I don't know about you, but to me, 50 dreams seems like a lot of dreams. Maybe you're spreading yourself too thin if you've got 50 dreams, or maybe say 5. Pretty damn good, this. This is the bit that I was looking for. This is what sold it to me. on Amazon, which is basically your weekly review. So you have a monthly review and you have like goals and aspirations which cover the year or forever, I guess. But the weekly thing is what I was really looking forward to, which is what your main goal is for a week. And you've got this up here in the top corner, which I love, which is a habit tracker. What brings me joy and good feelings in life? What am I most passionate about? What would I do if money wasn't an issue? What is most important in my life? What are my personal core values? What do I want to give back to the world? How do I want to be remembered when I'm gone? I'm gonna have to get back to you on that.